I am so excited to announce how you can transform your HVAC skills and boost your career with Mastering Residential HVAC System Design, as I'm teaching the process from load calcs to duct design. Hi, I'm Chris Moore, and you may recognize me from my content on YouTube as I'm a creator for my company, HVAC Pro Blog. I started in HVAC when I was 17, getting my first job as a technician during co-op in vocational high school. I then joined the Marines as a refrigeration mechanic before serving as a service manager for a Massachusetts-based mechanical company. Over the last 15 years or so, I've helped thousands of HVAC professionals with advice for residential system design and quality installation, and now I'm excited to help you. Are you an HVAC salesperson looking to take your career to the next level? Do you want to become an expert in residential HVAC system design and stand out in a competitive market? Look no further. Our comprehensive 4-week virtual masterclass is designed just for you. In this exclusive course, you'll embark on a transformative journey, gaining in-depth knowledge and practical skills to excel in the dynamic field of residential HVAC system design and sales. Led by myself, an industry expert with 25 years of experience, you'll delve into the intricacies of manual J calculations, duct diagnostics, and everything in between. Let's unlock the power of precision design. You're going to gain a thorough understanding of manual J calculations and learn how to apply them effectively to size HVAC systems accurately. You'll master the art of site survey and learn to identify crucial factors that will impact HVAC system performance. Explore advanced concepts like whole home ventilation, location optimization, even fenestration analysis to maximize energy efficiency and comfort for your clients. I'll help elevate your sales pitch. We'll impress clients with your newfound expertise in HVAC system design, setting yourself apart as a trusted advisor and problem solver. You'll confidently address client concerns and objections by showcasing your knowledge of load calculations, equipment selection, and duct sizing. You can streamline your sales process and increase your close rate by accurately sizing so that you can be quoting solutions on the first call every time. I want you to experience that transformational journey and join a community of like-minded professionals to engage in lively discussions, sharing insights and best practices to enhance your skills. You can receive feedback and guidance, ensuring you fully grasp each concept and can apply it confidently in real-world scenarios. And you'll gain access to exclusive resources to continue your learning journey beyond the virtual course and stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving HVAC industry. This is investing in your future. You should enroll in Mastering Residential HVAC System Design today and unlock the door to unparalleled career growth and success. Whether you're an HVAC salesperson, energy auditor, or code official, this masterclass will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in your role and make a lasting impact on your clients and community. So, don't miss this opportunity to transform your career and become a master of residential HVAC system design. Join us now and take the first step towards a brighter, more lucrative future in the HVAC industry.